Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for today's video, I am going to show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. Now, this is going to be interesting, so let's start. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now, I have a video here. Let me just go to full screen and let's take a video of a man walking. All right, I think that's enough. Now, after this one, you can go ahead and tap on save, save to memories and camera roll. And now it is saved. Now, what you want to do is you can go ahead and close Snapchat. And we are going to use another app called CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, you can try and download that from the Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. So I have it here. Let's go ahead and open it. Now here, tap on New Project and select the video that we just took. Tap on Add. And from the options below, tap on Edit. Now scroll to the left until you see Reverse. It's right over here. Now here, if we are going to play it, we can see that the video now is reversed. The man is walking backwards. Now, after this one, tap on the upload icon here on the corner. Now, after that, tap on done. So go ahead and go back to Snapchat. And from here, tap on this icon right here and tap on camera roll and select the video that we uploaded from CapCut. So you can tap on the edit button here. And you can drag this one to remove the watermark. Okay, like so. Tap on next. And now you're ready to post the reversed video. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for your time, and I'm going to see you on the next one.